Okay, so this morning fried dumpling. Me put me salt and me baking powder in there and me butter. And me have a chicken liver for breakfast. So fried dumpling and chicken liver. Okay, so I don't need that. Cover him over. Make it go on rest. Stir the film and then I gotta deal with this now. Okay, so I'm gonna put some baking soda in it and cleanse it. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Then I put some vinegar. Some vinegar because we are cleansing down the thing gets soap, you know. And then not for long, so I'm gonna rinse them off now. So now make sure I'm not the strainer and I shake off the extra mix off and yeah. And then I leave it there to dry because no I don't know water in this thing here, isn't it? Okay, see all of me forgot my pepper and my onion. Alright, that's all I'm gonna use my tomato, pepper, onion, bell pepper, garlic, and 1 carrot. Okay, this is what I have. Man, enough tomato because my tomato gonna be the base of this thing and I use my ketchup. And you know, I wish me there more carrot because I put a scallion there. I can't believe I run out of scallion. My ginger and salt up on my meat. So, it liver all drain off all my season them there. So I'm not ready to put my color into it yet. So, alright, so I'm grate my ginger and garlic in this thing. Alright, put my seasoning them in and rub it up. It's really not need no marination or liver, isn't it? So, just do that and then we turn over to the frying thing. Okay, we're going to fry dumpling oil over here, so. And that the liver one hot. And also, this for cook pan I eat. No less than I liver for always cook pan I eat, isn't it? Okay, let's put the mixture inside here. Another butter. And I'm going to cover it over, make it go and stew on I eat. Yeah, underneath look of salt. Okay, yeah, okay, put the salt in this thing. And then the cover it up. I'm dumping on my fire now. I'm on medium. Okay, so yeah, we gotta make it form gravy. No water do it to this. Just make it go and steam down with the tomato. Okay, so now we can put the liver in now. Okay, so I'm gonna put my liver in now. Stirring. Did it? I'm gonna make it go and stew, then come back to this. You see, no water added and sleep no water. So we're not put no water to this thing. Just have to steam it on juice. So now we are going to give me color now, right? Okay, so we're going to put soy sauce, Worcestershire, and some wine in this thing. So when you're going to put the wine in there, put it to the side, not on the meat. Alright. And then we are going to stir. You can take a little bit more soy sauce, then we cover them down. And okay. Oh, you want to smell the flavor come out of this. And we cover them down. We're not spin them too much to break up the meat. I almost forget about my fried dumpling. I'm going to come on. So them still have one. coming on, see color come. Yeah. Nice. Now my dumpling them all fried, ready to come out. Okay, so right now I'm gonna put them on paper towel. And trust me, not one, even though I press it, you can't see the oil jump out of it even though it's hot. Yeah, my dumpling them. Then I lock it over for the seal in it and, you know. Okay, so now we're gonna start. And then you have to taste the salt if you have enough flavor. And I put a pinch of salt in there. So this thing's thrown down right about now. And sit me a piece more pepper. And I just add a piece more pepper in there. Make it stew down a little bit. Okay, so now to come down to the end. See? I'm gonna put no water to this. So I'm just steam its own juice. Yeah. Right now, flavor up on nice. Look on that. So it's finished. Wait to serve breakfast. Okay. So the final there. Chicken liver with fried dumpling and peppermint tea